Have you ever taken a sip of your coffee and thought, wow, that's really bitter? It's a sensation many of us are all too familiar with. But fear not, turning that harsh brew into a silky smooth treat is easier than you think. Let's dive into the grind first. A coarser grind can significantly reduce that bitterness. If your coffee resembles fine powder, it's time to make a change. Next, consider the water temperature. Brewing with scalding water pulls out those unpleasant bitter flavors. Aim for that sweet spot between 195 and 205 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's talk about brewing time. If you steep for too long, bitterness will take over. A shorter steep can truly elevate the flavor. Here's a delightful tip. Just a pinch of salt or a splash of creamy milk can work magic to mellow those sharp notes. Imagine sipping a cup that feels luxuriously smooth on your palate. So, are you ready to enhance your coffee journey? Share your best brewing secrets in the comments and let's craft the perfect cup together. Your taste buds will thank you for it. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinural.com, 3 Coffee Lover.